Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new Winnebago 31P in tent from 2018. This is a brand new product line for Winnebago of 2018. There's a whole lot to see and a lot to appreciate. Come on in, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 2018 Winnebago in tent 31P, check out the amount of space you've got back here. You've got a full-size queen bed. This is a legit walk-around bed. You've got little cubby holes back here with USB and 110 power. Plenty of storage space around and above the bed. And also check out the amount of wardrobe space and dresser space you have. All these drawers, as you can clearly see, open up all the way. They are on full ball bearing slides for maximum durability and ease of use. As we move out of the bedroom, this is of course the bunkhouse model, so you do have two bunks in here, and believe it or not, there's a lot more you can do than just sleep two people. If you don't have the kids or the grandkids along the way, you can fold this up and drop that down, and you've actually got a big, huge amount of wardrobe space in here too. Not wanting to do that, you do have the grandkids. You've also got storage space down here for all their clothes and also a whole bunch of extra toys. There is 110 and USB power above and below in this. You've also got reading lights above and below as well for maximum convenience. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the bathroom a little bit. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom which you can easily access from the bedroom or out in front. And just check out the amount of space that you've got in here. You've got a shower that's easily able to house somebody that's 6'3" or 6'4" without too much trouble. Good amount of space back here with power, and you've also got lots of storage space up here as well. As we move on out into the rest of the coach, you do of course have a fully equipped kitchen, so this is going to have your microwave, 3-burner gas cooktop, and fully functioning gas oven. 2-basin stainless steel sink, and just check out the amount of workspace you've got up here. Two 110 power outlets, so if you are going to plug in a coffee pot, maybe a coffee grinder, something like that, you've got more than enough power to do so. Unique thing about the Winnebago in tent is going to be this all-electric refrigerator. Now, the term all-electric when it comes to refrigerators might have some people getting a little nervous, but this does have an inverter on board that's dedicated, and it will power this. You've also got two batteries down below. If you're running the batteries and the inverter just to power the refrigerator, you can run this refrigerator, according to Winnebago, for 49 hours before you have to turn on your generator. Kind of a nice thing to have. As we move up into the living space, you do of course have a 4-person dinette, no worries, and just check out how much room I've got when I sit in here. Again, I'm 5'9", I'm about 200, and I can easily get somebody else over here, and my knees aren't going to be bumping with anybody, so plenty of room for a family of 4 to sit down and have a very comfortable meal. You've got your sofa in here as well, directly across from the dinette. That's going to make social hour a lot of fun, or whether it's game night with your family or movie night, because the TV is positioned perfectly as well. As we go up to the front here in the cab, this is of course going to be on a Ford F53 chassis. That's going to be featuring a 6.8 liter Triton V10 motor, 320 horsepower, 420 foot-pounds of torque. From there, you've also got this console up front. This is going to feature mirroring technology that's also going to allow you to plug your cell phone in directly. That'll enable you to use Google Maps, and this of course is a touchscreen as well, so you'll be able to have full access and full control. This is of course also going to feature electronic leveling, no worries. And the last major thing to talk about is this bunk bed up above. No manual control required. All you need to do is go back to your main control panel, push a button, and this will drop down into place. This does have a 250-pound capacity, and it is a little bit wider than twin, so you will be able to sleep a full-size adult up there or 2 small children. That's about all the time we have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. So starting on the outside of the Winnebago 31P in tent, check out the storage that we've got. That is going to pass all the way through, and then you've also got more storage back here as well. And this storage compartment here is big enough for me to stash a couple sets of golf clubs in, no worries. So lots of flexibility as far as what you can store. As we go around a little further, the real crown jewel of this coach is going to be this massive outdoor kitchen. This is one of the best equipped outdoor kitchens in the industry. You do of course have a small refrigerator in there. You can fit lots of drinks in. You do of course have storage out here for utensils and silverware. Little cutting board there to get food and everything prepped. You of course have bottle opener in there, you've got a hook for the dog, you've got your sink, water pump to get water to the sink end to drain it out, and of course your outdoor TV. Not a whole lot that you can't do with this coach. This is perfect for tailgaters, perfect for just getting outside to have your dinner in nature and enjoy the sunshine. As we work our way around the back of this coach, you will note that there is a 5,000-pound hitch back here, as you would expect. You are, of course, going to have your rear view camera as well. Safety is number one. Little unique thing, something that they're starting to do in the industry a lot, is put the gas cap on the back part of the coach. It's going to fix it so you don't have to pull into just one side of the pump at the filling station. You can go wherever you want, shouldn't have any trouble getting in or out. As we work our way around the back, or the second side of this coach, they've actually made your park cable and your portable satellite connections really easy on this coach. And you've also got, as you can see, a lot of extra storage going all the way around. One of the interesting things about this coach is that instead of having one big gigantic propane tank up here, they've actually got two, similar to what you would use on a barbecue. That's going to enable you to take one out and go into town and fill it without having to take the entire motorhome down, break down your entire campsite and go in to fill your propane tank. This has got two on board right now, but if you look in there real close, you'll note that that's expandable to where you can get 4 of those cylinders in there. That'll give you a lot of flexibility and a lot of ability to stay out on the road and stay out at camp as much as you really want to, only limited by your fresh water supply. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this beautiful Winnebago Intent 31P. Once again, my name is Erik.Sakshaug. If you have any questions on this coach or any of the other wonderful coaches we have here, please feel free to contact me using the 800 number below on the screen. Or if you'd like, please feel free to contact me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.